Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A75, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and in here you will navigate to Storage, click on the SD card, and then select Format. It gives you a quick message that basically this will erase existing content on the SD card, so if you have anything on it that you'd like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, assuming you have already backed up any data that you want to preserve, or you just don't want to preserve anything, you can click on OK. So as you can see, begin automatically formatting your SD card, and this process only takes a couple seconds and it's already done, so click on Done and that's it. Card is formatted and ready to be used. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.